What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over Cardano, guys. ADA. Sometimes I like to call it ADA, and I've had a couple commenters, bro, it's pronounced ADA, not ADA. I cannot take you seriously. Well, if that's your biggest fish to fry, you should head back to your job at the Hogwarts Library, all right, guys? So we're currently sitting at $2.40. We're down almost 12% on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 74.98 billion. 24-hour volume is 11.21 billion. Guys, if you're new to crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. They have Crypto Earn, where you can receive incredible APYs on all your favorite coins here. You have Bitcoin is 6%, 6.5, USDT 12%. You have Ethereum 6%, Crow 6%. Check it out, guys. Sign up and receive $25 for free in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So guys, we lost the 4-hour EMAs, and I had talked about that. I said we haven't lost the 4-hour EMAs since we started our recovery. So that was a great time to exit your long trade. Once you saw those EMAs cross, now you didn't have very much time to exit because we absolutely dumped very, very quickly. But we came all the way down to our technical target from our ascending triangle. It is a bullish continuation pattern, but of course it can break down. I believe it's around 34% of the time, and we come down to 224, and that's currently where we are holding support. So we're going to jump into Cardano on the hourly. So if you kind of ignore this long wick down here, we do have a bullish divergence. As I was seeing with Bitcoin, Cardano moves very, very closely. As you can see here, oh, my apologies, guys. Let me move this over a little bit. You can see here that we created a lower low and a higher low on the RSI, signifying a trend reversal and that the bears are weakening. Right, guys? So if we come up and we get rejected by the EMAs, you could see that continuation, but we may be creating a little bit of a double bottom here, which is a reversal pattern. You see we came down, we came up, we created a second bottom. So if you were to see us break this neckline, if this is a possible bullish scenario here, if we come up and we break this neckline, that could bring ADA up. Could be a juicy little long trade that could bring ADA right back up to basically the resistance of our ascending triangle here, which is up at about $2.89. So do keep an eye on that breakout, guys. Could be a good opportunity for a little long. So you can see here we had this trend line of support that was broken as well. So I'm going to quickly take this out. So let's pop ADA over to the daily time frame. I believe it have it open right here. All right, guys, so we're here on the daily. So we came down and we wicked down to the 55. So on the daily, on the weekly, we're still looking healthy, guys. We had our bearish divergence. You can see here we got overextended from the 20 EMA, and then we absolutely just smashed down through it with our significant sell-off and our dump, our basically flash crash with Bitcoin. All right, guys, so bearish divergence finally started to play out. So if we hold a strong level of support in this area, even if we come down to the 55 on the daily, by tomorrow we'll probably line up with this previous swing high at about 224. Could be a beautiful opportunity to bounce and see that continuation, but we would have to come up and break our high. That's the most important thing, is to come up and break right around 294. If we look at ADA on the weekly here, let me pop it open on the weekly. Hope you're well, guys. Hope the pets are healthy. It's a beautiful day here in Cape Town. It's my last day in Cape Town, and then I'm going to Johannesburg, which is another city here in South Africa. All right, guys, so pray for me. All right, so you can see here on the weekly that we haven't even come back down to the 20 EMA. So on the weekly, we're still looking healthy. If we come down to about that 224, let me see what it was here. Yeah, right at about 224. I'm just going to bring this down so everything lines up, so it's not confusing for you guys. If we were to come down to 224 and find support, then the 20 EMA is catching back up. You can see we're overextended from the 20 EMA. We're starting to see a little bit of gap here, and Cardano is extremely strong. We went through that major correction, and we did break the 20 EMA. What the hell is that? Oh, man. And we did break the 20 EMA, but we quickly bounced at about $1. We bounced right back up, back above the 20 EMA. So in my opinion, we're still looking healthy for continuation. The fact that Cardano has broken its all-time high is an extremely bullish signal, and in my opinion signifies continuation for Cardano and for the rest of the market. I could be wrong, and we could go into a bear market, but I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a young guy from Canada. All right, guys, so I'm going to finish the video with Cardano here on the 1 hour time frame. So keep an eye on the bullish divergence. You're starting to see a bit of a bounce here. Watch the 20 EMA to see if we get rejected or if we get back above it. If we can get back above it here and we can break this double bottom, we get back above this blue line, the 55 EMA, we'll give you a strong signal. We're going to head back up to 289. $1.49, and that's a juicy little trade opportunity of 12%. Could be much, much more if you're trading with leverage. Make sure to sign up to Bybit, my favorite platform for leverage trading. Receive up to $600 in bonuses, as well as I have a full length tutorial that you can check out if you're new to leverage trading. So that's it, guys. If we roll over, we lose 224. I will drop in some levels of support here. Let me jump back into the 4-hour time frame. So if you were to see us lose 224 as support, we do have this level here at about $1.89, which was our previous swing low. And if we were to lose that level of support, we could come all the way down. I don't think it would be a very strong signal if we came all the way back down to about $1.48, as on the daily here. If we do come back down to $1.48, that's when we're going to start seeing the bearish cross start to form, unless we came down and we bounced back very, very quickly. But in my opinion, it would not be a very strong signal for us to come all the way down there. And I personally don't think that we're going to see that large of a correction for ADA. It's basically another 36%. Of course, it's a possibility if Bitcoin were to drop another, 15, 20%. But I think we do have a good opportunity to just bounce off the EMAs here on the daily for ADA. All right, guys, it just looks like we went through a swift correction. Like, it was very, very quick. And we're finding support on the EMAs. We were overextended. We were having the bearish divergence. So we're finding support and we're looking for continuation, in my opinion. All right, guys, but it's just my opinion. So sign up to Bybit, smash that like button. We have over 1,000 members talking all things crypto, posting chart patterns in the Discord, price of a coffee. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Much love.